In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a website in Webflow. Whether you're building a site from scratch or just making updates, Webflow provides a powerful, user-friendly platform that allows you to customize your website with ease. So let's jump in and explore how you can make edits to your Webflow project efficiently. To begin your journey of editing your website in Webflow, you'll first need to open the Webflow Designer. Start by logging into your Webflow account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of all your projects. Select the specific project you want to edit by clicking on it. After selecting your project, look for the Designer button and click it. This action will launch the Webflow Designer interface, where all the magic happens. Now that we're inside the Designer, let's dive right into editing content. One of the most common tasks you'll perform is changing text content on your web pages. To do this, simply click on any text element within your design. Once selected, you can start typing immediately to change the text. It's that simple. For images, a double click will open up options to upload and replace current images with new ones from your computer. Updating buttons, links, and forms is just as straightforward. Simply select the element you want to edit and navigate to the Settings panel. This panel allows you to configure various attributes, making it easy to tailor each component according to your needs. Next, let's explore how to change the styles of your elements for a more personalized touch. To alter the style of any element, start by selecting the desired element on your page. Once it's selected, direct your attention to the right side of the Designer and click on the Style panel, recognizable by the paintbrush icon. This is where you'll have control over various style aspects of your website. You can modify fonts to suit your brand or aesthetic. Colors are another important aspect, and changing them is as simple as selecting your preferred palette. Adjusting the spacing of your elements through margins and padding helps in maintaining a clean layout and improving readability. Borders can also be tweaked to enhance the element's appearance, giving you the flexibility to design creatively without limitations. These are the foundational steps for editing your website in Webflow. With a bit of practice, you'll find that Webflow's interface is incredibly intuitive, empowering you to build exactly what you envision with minimal hassle. Remember, the key is experimenting with different styles and settings until you're satisfied with how your site looks and functions. I hope you found this guide useful and that it enhances your Webflow editing experience. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!